Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am making Thai green fish curry. If you are Thai food lovers, so you have to watch this video. Hope you will like this recipe. Here I am taking 3 pieces of boneless tilapia, some green beans, some snow peas. Here I have 1 yucca root, but I will take little bit. 1 small size of potato, some green bell peppers, red bell peppers, some basils, and some kaffir lime leaves, means Thai lime leaves, some Thai green chili and red chili, fish sauce about 2 tablespoons, vegetable oil about 4 tablespoons. You can use coconut oil, but I prefer vegetable oil for Thai curry, and salt to taste. For 3 pieces of tilapia, I am taking half cup Thai green curry paste. Now I am going to marinate the fish pieces with little bit salt and lime juice. Do not use the turmeric because we are making Thai green fish curry and we don't need to fry the fish pieces. That's why I am marinating with lime juice. And Thai coconut milk. This is Thai coconut milk, as you can see, product of Thailand. For 3 pieces of tilapia, we need 1 can coconut milk only. Let's heat up the pan. Keep the flame on high now. Now I am adding oil, vegetable oil. Once oil is hot, keep the flame on medium because I will saute the spices. Now I am adding Thai green curry paste. I will saute it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat. It's been 6 minutes, so now I am adding potato and yucca roots. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. Now I am adding salt to taste. I added half tablespoon salt. Fish sauce, now saute it for 3 more minutes. Now I am adding coconut milk. Some water. Let the potato and yucca roots boil fast, then I will add other vegetables and fish pieces. Okay, our yucca root and potato are perfectly cooked. So now I am going to add bell pepper, red bell peppers, green bell pepper, green beans, snow peas, some basil leaves, lime leaves, and fish pieces. Let it cook for 10 more minutes on medium heat. Our Thai green fish curry is ready. Switch off the flame. Now I am adding little bit lime juice, chopped coriander leaves, some Thai green chili, and slitted Thai red chili. Let's dish out. I hope you will like this Thai green fish curry recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.